Hey everyone, okay, so we're back and today we're doing a giveaway. Arteza asked me if I would like to host a giveaway. The winner will be announced in 2 weeks time from the date of this video after uploading it. And check the description box below on how to enter. And if you win, I get to pick the winner. So Arteza will send you out an acrylic paint set of 14 of their pouches of all different colors. Okay, so this is for US and the UK. So again, check the description below and there will be some steps on how to enter. So happy days. Hopefully you guys will want to enter and win. So today we're going to use Violet by Arteza, Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza, and this one is Magenta Light. Okay, and I have a thin layer of white laid down, titanium white, and my blow dryer. These two paints, or the Arteza colors here, are mixed 2 parts Ultral's Floetrol. Okay, that's Ultral in the UK, for the UK. And in Ireland, and some water to thin, Dutch pour thin, okay? And then the white was mixed, okay, 2 parts Ultral, 1 part paint, sorry. And then the white was mixed 3 parts Ultral to 1 part paint. Okay, so really quick, we're just gonna get this, the colors laid out, and then we're gonna blow it. And I'm gonna try to do Kanella, the new way she's doing it. I don't know how new it is for her, but or how long she's been doing it for, but she, instead of flooding the colors with white, she just goes ahead and blows out the color instead of, you know, flooding it with white and blowing the white over and then blowing it out. So I'm gonna try that because I haven't tried that, and she's getting some really cool Dutch pours out of that. So this is gonna be like a Kanella Dutch pour. So fingers crossed it won't be as good as hers. I haven't done a Dutch pour in a while. And yeah, so here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go with our Magenta Light first. Oh, see? I'm probably already messing up. Okay. And then we're going to go for some Pearl Copper Gold. Oh, it's been so long since I've done this. Okay. Okay, and then some Violet. And look, I'm balloon dipping with my pinky again. Okay, and since I'm only doing 3 colors, I'm going to go through again real quick. Not as much. And I actually kind of wish I had some Van Dyke Brown mixed up, but I didn't mix up any, so I'll go Violet now. Okay. And Violet. We'll see. Fingers crossed. I don't know. But anyway, regardless, we're doing a giveaway, so that's exciting. So let's get this cup out of the way so I don't blow it over. And pop some air bubbles. Okay, so this is Kanella style Dutch pour. So she starts, oh, I really hope I don't mess this up. She starts in the middle and goes out and then goes out. Okay. Now I'm gonna throw just a small, should I even? I don't know. Let's just, that's probably not gonna do anything. It's been so long. Okay, here we go. Right, well, I'm getting some good cells, really good cells. Okay, not put that down there in case I touch the paint. So, okay, let's see, let's torch. Let's see, let me make sure that I'm still filming because that would not be cool. I don't really want to blow on any of this because I don't want to mess it up, but I think I might. You know, I just said I'll probably mess it up. Let's see. Okay, and again, this is Otral and paint. And there's no Australian Flood Flowtral. There's no Shelly Art PM. This is just Otral's Flowtral, water and paint, okay? So let's see. I really don't want to blow on it, but I feel like I might need to. Oh, but I don't really want to. Just go gentle. It's been so long. Okay. It's not too bad for my first in a while. I think I need to get some, I don't know. I need to get this out of the way. So the colors are fabulous. My personal, let's see, my favorite Arteza colors, Pearl, Copper, Gold. They're Rose, which I was going to use, but I'm out of that. Pearl, let me show you. This is the Sapphire. Let's see, what's this one called? I'm going to show you because this is one of my favorites. I don't know. Pearl Sapphire Blue. It's metallic. But I love this one. This is what it looks like all mixed in the bottle. So I like Pearl Copper Gold, Pearl Sapphire, Rose. They're all really nice colors. The violet's really good, really good. I always use the violet. I use the violet. I use a lot of Arteza paints with the Shelly Art technique as well. I find they work fabulous with it. Sometimes I prefer a few of their colors in with the Amsterdam, like mix them up. Not mix them together, but, you know, choose different colors, I would say, from the Amsterdam and the Arteza. Okay. Let's see. I feel like this needs to be... Something needs to be done there. Too short for this. Okay. Let's see. Way too short. Okay. Just gonna spin this around. Hopefully I won't spill paint everywhere on my floor. It's not too bad. The colors are fabulous. I really like the vibrancy of the colors and from not flooding them. Maybe. From not flooding it with white and then blowing out. So that was cool. That was definitely something different that I haven't done. Let's see. I don't really want to mess up all this. I like these, so we're just gonna leave that. And you guys probably can't even hear me because I'm so far away from my camera. Let's see. And I just said I wasn't going to touch that, and I did. Never fails. See, with these Dutch pours, you really need to know when to just stop. A lot of the times that seems to be my problem. Is just not stopping. I don't know. Okay. These are awesome cells right here. I feel like something needs to happen here and here. Let's come to the side. It's not too bad. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. I don't really know how I feel about this. Let's see. I haven't torched for cells in so long. Again, I missed it. Okay, I'm going to leave it as is. I feel like I want to blow in here, but I'm afraid to mess it up. And I really like the violet in there. So we're just going to leave that. And if I had more white, I would probably scrape this and redo it. But let me know what you guys think. And I don't like this. I actually don't like that. It's getting too big. So let me just blow that out. Okay, so here we are for the Dutch pour. Now remember to check the description box below to see how to enter the Arteza giveaway that I'm hosting. So in 2 weeks' time from this video, the upload date of this video, I will randomly pick a winner. And then you will contact me and give me your information. And then I will forward it on to Arteza, and they will send you acrylic paint set, and it'll be the 14 pouches, so it's pretty good giveaway. There's those. I love that. See, that pearl copper gold is amazing, and then with the violet together, it's very nice. So you guys already know I like Arteza. I use a lot of their paints, so you've probably seen all these colors loads of times. So check the description for all that anyway. And it's USA and the UK. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think of my Kanella Dutch pour, Kanella inspired Dutch pour. And I will talk to you guys soon. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.